Hi, I'm Shelley Wood. You might know me from shelleywood.com. This is my tiny sewing room where I make doll clothes sewing videos. Today I'm going to show you how to sew a reversible tank top to fit 8-inch or 9-inch dolls like Bratz, Breyer Rider dolls, and Mego action figures, to name just a few of the many possible dolls in this size range that could fit this pattern. Before we begin, please go to shelleywood.com to download this free printable sewing pattern. There's a link in the description below. Use the pattern to cut out all the pieces shown. Draw darts with a fabric pencil on both of your bodices. With a clothing item that is so tiny, it's so important to make sure your darts are identical. Fold and stitch the darts in both of the bodices. Again, make sure they're really exactly identical. Lay one strap on top of another with right sides facing. Stitch across the length of one side. Open up the strap. Press the seam. Fold the raw fabric inside and then fold it once more. Whip stitch along this fold. Do this with both of your straps. Need help with the whip stitch? I have a tutorial for that. Look for the tutorial in the description. There will be a link. Pin the straps to one of your bodice's right sides. It's a good idea to try it on the doll to check where the straps will look the best, and then make some adjustments as needed. Baste the straps to the bodice when you're ready. If you need help with basting, I have a tutorial for that too. Just look in the description. Lay the other bodice over the top of the first bodice. Keep your right sides together. Sew along the top and sides of the bodice. Incorporate the straps in your stitches. Clip the corners and seams. Invert the garment. I like to use a chopstick to help with inverting my garment. It'll get the corners nice and tight. After inverting, press the garment. Push the raw edges at the bottom of the garment inside the garment itself, like you see me doing in this next video clip. Use the whip stitch to close off this edge. Now your garment looks like this on one side, but it looks like this on the other side. Add snaps or Velcro as a closure, and now you're ready to try it on your doll. Let's see how it looks from this side too. Now back to the purple side again. For more free printable sewing patterns to fit dolls of many shapes and all different sizes, remember to visit my website, shelleywood.com. Well, that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy my videos and free patterns, please share them on your favorite social media platforms. It really helps my website grow if you spread the word. Goodbye!